What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Stef ABtv and welcome to another video. Now, you guys have all asked for it. You've asked for Ferrari content and today you are finally going to get it. Today I'm going up the Goodwood hill climb in the 800 horsepower V12 Superfast. I'm very excited to bring you guys along for the ride. We've wanted to do this and we're finally going to do it with massive thanks to Ferrari UK. So without further ado, let's get going.
This is the Ferrari 812 Superfast, the new benchmark for mid-front engine sports cars. The 812 Superfast looks like a masterpiece and at its heart, a 6.5 litre V12 naturally aspirated engine that will snap a 0 to 60 time of just 2.9 seconds and a 0 to 125 mph time of 7.9. The Ferrari 812 Superfast is a car that delivers incredible performance yet still keeps its versatility to use as an everyday car. This dailyable supercar produces 800 horsepower, 720 Nm of torque and revs freely to 8,900 RPM. These levels of performance have been helped by the implementation of technology found in naturally aspirated Formula 1 engines. 80% of the 812 Superfast torque is delivered within just 3,500 RPM, making the sensation of speed very noticeable. The 812 weighs in at 1,525 kgs and receives Ferrari's F1 dual-clutch 7-speed transmission, which has been further evolved to cope with the performance and power delivery from the Prancing Horse's engine. It's also the first Ferrari to introduce electric power steering, which, in line with Ferrari's tradition, is used to fully exploit the potential of the car by integrating it with all of the electronic vehicle dynamic controls. Things such as Ferrari Power Oversteer. When powering out of corners, the steering wheel torque will give the driver feedback to easily correct the slide. It sounds like a lot of fun if you ask me. Ferrari have continued to pay attention to downforce and aerodynamics with the 812 Superfast. The front diffusers play a big part in making the front end stick to the tarmac. The rear spoiler and rear diffuser generate downforce for the rear of the car. And these are the two obvious elements of downforce I've talked about. There are so many more components to the 812 Superfast arsenal, which provides further improved overall downforce.
Look how gorgeous this looks, unbelievable styling. I do like the Superfast and I think this thing here is a V12. It's got the right naturally aspirated sounds that you would really, well, you'd want to hear from Ferrari. I know that the world of turbocharging is taking over, so it's refreshing to see supercars built by Ferrari to still have naturally aspirated engines. What a good looking car. I mean, interior wise, in fact, I'll quickly introduce you to Rob. Rob, say hello to the channel.
Hi channel.
Hi channel. They're very well, mate. And interior, beautiful, kind of like a very nice suede kind of material, Alcantara material, very, very well built. Carbon fiber absolutely everywhere, guys. This is going to be a very, very special experience. The attention to detail on everything, even little stripes of Alcantara here on the dash, beautiful leather dash, carbon fiber here, and also another kind of LCD screen. I'm not sure if that's picking it up on the camera, but LCD screen, so I can see exactly how far up the rev range we are going, and you can see that there is a 9,000 RPM rev limit on it, and I can also see the G forces, and so basically when Rob's booting up the hill climb, I'll see how much G is going through me. What a great addition, and really enhances the driver and passenger feel. Right, let me put my massive big red lid on. You probably won't hear much. Here we go.
All of a sudden you're at the next door.
I know, it's so quick.
That was close.
Wow, that's fast.
Oh wow.
How's your 120 mile an hour?
Get it sent in and then jump flatten it.
Wow. Jesus Christ, mate. That's special, that is. Oh my word. Wow.
Right.
Thank you.
Good man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well done, man.
Thank you, mate. That was epic. Oh my good God. You probably didn't hear a word I was saying whilst I was in the car, but what an experience. The funny thing is, because I was wearing such a noise cancelling helmet with the kind of cables in, I didn't necessarily hear the total sound of that 6.5 litre V12, but I could still hear it very well. But this thing is just, it just pulls off the line and it goes and goes and goes. I was looking at the G meter and it was literally all the way back. It's an experience that I can't, you know, I have to thank Ferrari for it. And I know for you guys, you've wanted some Ferrari content on the channel for a while. And yeah, I'm just really grateful to have the opportunity to show you something. So yeah, a little bit overwhelmed, if I'm honest with you. To be doing this kind of stuff in a Ferrari is rather special. But yeah, there you go, guys. That is a 812 Superfast Ferrari UK hill run. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.